Vaseline to slather on your hair, anyone? Nope, this is not that. It's actually a highly affordable Japanese hair mask that went rather viral on socials a while back. It's renowned for transforming dry, damaged, or highly porous hair into soft, silky, and shiny locks. The thick, nutrient-rich formula features royal jelly, trehalose, PCA, and some other stuff to intensely hydrate, and don't ask me what any of those things mean except maybe the royal jelly. But I do know that it has a very pleasant floral scent and is rather effective at nourishing my hair. It's best used once or twice weekly and on mid-lengths to ends only. This stuff is thick and goopy. It really does have a petroleum jelly vibe in the texture. And as someone with ultra-fine hair, this worried me the first time I used it on recommendation from a friend. I was sure this was going to turn my hair into a grease pit. But it washed out and it felt healthy. It still does whenever I use it. So what you do ideally is after shampooing, you towel dry your hair, take a tablespoon's worth, massage it in the ends of your hair, avoiding your scalp and root area. This stuff is thick after all. And then you leave it in for 10 minutes and rinse well. And if you have beautiful, thick, long hair, this is probably what you should do. As for me, no way. First, my hair is short and fine. And second, I ain't got the patience for that. No, I just take 1 teaspoon, rub it in my hands after shampooing while still in the shower, then massage it into my hair ends only, shift focus to shaving my legs or whatever else I do in the shower, and then after that I rinse it out. It takes a while to rinse out because it is so goopy. And yeah, when you are rinsing it out, what you will notice is that this doesn't feel like a conditioner or a product that makes your hair combable, what's it called, rinse or whatever. This texture is different, and it's not something I adore, to be honest, but the saving grace during and after use is the smell. It's very salon quality and very luxurious smelling. Once you towel dry your hair, you brush it out and then you hair dry it. And if you're like me, you will notice a difference. So I do recommend this, and it's affordable.